Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, students.
Hello, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning,
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Students, today we are going to learn something interesting, and you love that, isn't it?
Yes.
Are you guess that?
Yes.
It is about. Do you know what is this? It is about colors. It is about colors. It is about colors. We have many colors. We have many colors. Above them, three colors are primary colors. How many colors are primary colors, children? How many colors? Okay. Yellow, red, and blue. Yellow, yellow. Very good. This color is yellow, red, and blue. You are very brilliant. These are the primary colors. What is this color, children? These are the primary colors. These are the brilliant. Now we mix this color today and mix a lot of colors. Are you agree? So let's start. Khadija and Mohana, show me your color, please.
This is yellow.
What is this color, please? Khadija?
This is yellow.
Yellow. And your color, please show me.
And this is
Red. Okay. Mix well, please. Mix well. Mix very well. Wow. Show me. Which color mix? Show me. Show me this color. Orange. Okay. Thank you. Tripti and Sumaya. Show me your color, please.
this is yellow. This
Here.
is blue.
Blue, please.
This is blue.
Okay, this is blue. Okay, mix well. Mix this very well. Okay, please show me your color.
This is green.
Wow, this is green. Okay, thank you. Oh, Aisha and Alifa, show me your color. What is this color? Red color. And Khadija? This is Aisha. This is what is this color? Blue. Okay. Mix well. Show me your color. Show me your color. Wow. Which color is this? This is purple. Show me. This is purple color. Show me your color, please.
This is blue.
And you?
This is green.
Okay, mix well, please. Mix this very well. Show me your color, please.
This is green blue.
Green blue or blue green? This is?
Blue green.
Ma'am, show me your color.
This is blue. This is blue.
Okay. This is white. Show me.
This is blue.
Blue. Okay, mix well. Mix this very well. Mix. Wow, sky blue. Show me your color. What is this color? This is red and this is
White.
okay. Mix well.